Hello, welcome to the Prosperity for Posterity YouTube channel. My name is Omowumi Olajide. Thank you for joining me today. This is one of the videos in the series of my FAQs regarding the Untamed business and products. So this particular video is covering question regarding how do I enroll? How do I enroll? And I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go. Now, to enroll, you're either going to have a referral link sent to you, like the one I have at the bottom of the screen showing, that has to do with the untamed.com and then the referral of the person that you're enrolling under. So this is my referral link. If you come about this video from me, then that is the link to use. However, if you come about this video from another person referring you, then you need to get back to them to get their referral link so that you can enroll under them. That is very, very crucial, very important. All right, so let's get into it. All you need to do to enroll or to see the options to enroll, you need to go to the link given to you, or you just go to theuntamed.com. The Untamed, let me type that all over again. Theuntamed.com, that's how it is. And then it will bring you to this page, theuntamed.com. Now, the next step we'll have to do is go to the menu on the left side as shown on the screen, and then you go to community. Then this would bring you to this very page where it shows a few things about the community, the Untamed community. So you can either do join our community here, or just browse through a little bit to see a few things like benefits as a community member, things you stand to gain, and then what is your community journey, the steps you can take, to get into this community. Very simple steps, and I'm going to show you right now. Now, there are three ways by which you can be part of the Untamed community. The very first one, which is the minimal, is being a consumer of the product. So you're a customer and you enjoy high quality products at a very attractive prices. And then that you enjoy your product, okay? And then if you want to make this a business and you want to get your product at discounted prices and at the same time be able to refer the product, promote the product, every product purchased using your referral link, using your affiliate link, you will earn 25% immediate earning as an affiliate. And it does not stop there. If you feel like this is something that you believe in and you're ready to empower other people through it, then you can go ahead and join as an associate. As an affiliate, there is a pathway for you to go from affiliate to associate. However, there are benefits to joining first time as an associate, and that's why I joined as an associate. That I'll cover in other videos as time goes on, but for right now, these are the three ways by which you can join the community. You can see the benefit of an associate. You enjoy the products at attractive prices. You get 30% discount on your personal products that you purchase on your website. That's amazing. And then as you promote the product, you earn 43% as against 25% as an associate. And then as you recruit other people that empower, that's the word I love to use. As you empower other people, through this business opportunity, you earn commission and bonuses on all the sales that they purchase as well, or that they make, all the sales they make as well. So if you continue down, you see a few things that you can come back and read about the community. And then you have the FAQ that you can definitely go over and read as well. So at any point on the page, you can say join our community. So if you noticed, this is the country drop down, and is showing as Austria. And depending on which country you are registering in, you might need to switch to that country here. And I'm going to tell you the reason why as we go, so that when you encounter that, you know exactly what to do. So I'm not going to flip it to any other country. I'm leaving it in Austria. And so you do join our community. And then you have the steps for enrollment. Very simple steps. You have the starter kit. For right now, as a customer, the e-commerce website is not ready. So you have to wait until that is ready in February. But as an affiliate and associate, you can enroll right now. You can select, all you need to do is select your starter kit and continue to learn about the product and promote the product like I'm doing, and then have other people enroll under you. So this is what you need to do. Now, this is what I was referring to as needing to go change that country list, in that country list, to pick the country that you are enrolling from. So for example, this is in Austria, in Europe, and I'm not purchasing in pounds, so I will have to switch to my country, which I'm enrolled in Nigeria. So I'm going to go pick Nigeria. So the page is going to refresh. However, if you use the affiliate link, for example, if you use mine, if you come upon this video through me and you use my link, then it automatically, loads Nigeria website for you, Nigeria market website for you. So all you then need to do from here is look for how to join our community. You can scroll all the way down and say join our community, and then it will bring you back here. You've been here before, so you've been here before. You just say join our community again, and we've been here as well. So voila, you see it's now in Naira. So for an affiliate, the cost to get your starter kit is 180,000 Naira, and the cost for an associate to get your starter kit is 350,000 Naira. That's it. And these are at 20 for the affiliate. This is at 20% discount on the customer price. And for an associate, this is at 30% discount on the customer price. And you get almost 3 times of what, the affiliate gets. So like I said, I enrolled as an associate. There are other perks, as an amazing perks that comes with being an associate. I'll cover that on another video. So that is it. All you need to do is, let's say you're enrolling as an associate. So you pick your associate kit and get in here. All you need to do is select your product. The very first segment you have here is the fragrance collection. You pick the one you like out of the 4. I picked the Gothic Rose to start with, and then you go to the foundation of your choice. I picked the medium caramel, to start with, and the lipstick, the 3 lipstick that we carry already comes with your kit. And then the daily skincare kit, 3 daily skincare kit is added for you, and 3 weekly skincare kit is added for you. That you can keep for yourself to use for the next, for as long as it lasts, or you can sell the other 2 for profits. Definitely selling at the customer price. So all you need to do then is add to cart and make your payment. Now, this is very important because this is where you will know who you are enrolling under. As you scroll down, sponsor referral code. Either if you use the link, your referral link, if you use your referral link, is going to post that referral here, the referral code here automatically. Okay, so that your sponsor referral code will automatically be posted here. If you use my referral link, that is the referral code that you're going to see here. However, if you come by the way of the untamed.com and you don't see any referral code listed and you don't know how to get it, all you need to do is go back to your sponsor and ask for their referral code. Very, very important. However, if you're enrolling through me, the referral code is on the link. As you can see, it says referral equal to FXEWEJ. That is what you're going to have listed there for you to continue to do your enrollment. So that is it. You make your purchase. There's going to be shipping. I think the shipping depends on where in the country you are. So this is Lagos, and this is the 1,002 naira for shipping, for delivery, home delivery to you, right? So you add that to it, and voila, your product will be be on the way to you once we are ready, once the product is available. All right, that is how you enroll in the Untamed, as in the Untamed community, either as an affiliate or as an associate. Like I said, there are perks that comes with being an associate. I don't leave benefits on the table as far as I'm concerned. So I went for the associate, and I look forward to working with you on this journey. It's going to be an amazing year. God bless you. Have a wonderful one.